part 2 of this tutorial, how to place an image in Photoshop. Go down there, hit place embedded in newer versions of Photoshop, select the image and hit place. Okay, now you have the image in Photoshop. You can now transform to place it the way you want it to be. And now I'm dragging with free hand, but that's not very effective. You can squish or stretch the image out in a way you don't want, so you wouldn't want to work with it like that. Just hold down shift and drag so it moves it better and keeps the proportion. All that works around that anchor point in the middle there. You can also decide to scale it up from the middle by holding down shift and alt together. You can scale it up or scale it down. Then when you move your hand a little bit outside that area, you can rotate the image however you want. However, you also want to hold and shift when rotating, so it moves better, like at an angle of 15 degrees. Yeah, that makes the rotation much more effective. Okay, and then that anchor point I told you about earlier, you can decide to drag it to any position of your choice. Now everything you do work around that anchor point, so you can see the rotation is no longer from the middle but being directed by that anchor point right there. What an anchor does anyway. So you can scale it up also or down from that anchor point now. Yeah, just return the anchor point back to the middle. You don't want to do that unless it's an intentional choice. Yeah, so now you can scale it up, then try to drag it to the position your heart desires, then hit OK to save all of that transformation. Use the move tool just to adjust it a bit if you're not satisfied with the positioning. Otherwise, that is all for this tutorial, so see you in the next one.